Biamono kegimu mwanchu murigeria abo television ya Ndizi TV buna riri nagote inainde tweranire asomurubulio Ekeumbu bwali tukoria lero no murubuli tukorera mangana siasa bunere butambe igobono na kwariganiri senchiringi ya bor kigima amoyo murabu kigima buna nagote bya nigorero tutatu gukwanira igoro ya mangana asiasa igoro yoburahai obwa omurainya gusira oyo twamwaine litukuria lero omuraibwe ntunde ya gatatu muske milio Stanley Mwai Kibaki oburahi bwa na bwa beire na buigo ebintu binde binge litukuria lero nigo tuli no mogoko kigima kumutwara mogeni ito ase studio nigakoro kwa engineer Kennedy Nyabuto omuyo ne omuntu manyeta mangana mangi kigima igoro ya mangana siasa yo tokumuruka political analyst ase njera y'umuno bwegesongo igobono litukuria lero nigo ntaitwire libageri gotulikere SMS yao ototebie aye ninkyunyorete gose ngikeria gia kugogetie gose nkiria korekanete kiase serikali ya Mwai Kibaki kubwaji serikali chindi cha maiga bito kibiri hakorete bya kongusete gose bya kubwatete tulikere SMS gocha senambe yo erigoroga bwa TV yao eliyo tunyale gosomekera ngeri kyao gaiga inyuranga ebirengeri byao na bitoko anambe yemo ekiagera emurobelio yo nesengencho yao igobono kinga kieje ntete kwariga no moyo murabu kigima eliyo tunyale gukwanira amangana ya iri tukuria lero niri tukuria ngeri nene kurwe mambia goikabono maragoba ekero kwarigereirie kurundizi TV ntokobekerete mirobeli mna yagendrete kurwe sense moya uthaya goikagaiga muraibwense nabwo na baraibande bonsi mangana siasa nigatenete kurwe wiki eri juma kero muraibwense obwenture ya gatatu asirete goikabono igobono ayonsi nardo gukwanira emagoroba yabono nigonde kwirali bageri na kumwarigania omogeni one ase studio elinde toso asomorobeli yo kigima engineer
yes
wairire yes karibu Ndizi TV
asante
bono litukulia lero nigolia lingi litukuli konkigima asumura yumukuru pwentu ya gatatu omuske uru amuske Mwai Kibaki no muraibwense no ali nkararo ekora amangana yonse bono ese libagali tangani kigima ochake oruwe mangana obwe manyikani eli tumagoso asomurubelio
ma mbia muno na ase libagali ase koba na Ndizi TV na for the other time just Marieta nkoro kwa engineer Kennedy Daniel Moyo no mo engineer Luwe County ga no andani nengo korrega siane apart from that rende na botoko nyoranga tu akorre tu anyore time tuanza okora analyst tuanza okora political analyst yetu ya usi
yes
and the national and the country yetu
yes
in the asset korea rero it was a very great day asoko send off our third president Stanley Milio Mwai oyo kora magendra mange paka mona ngatoroje as a president of Mwai Kibaki this is somebody which I with a humble beginning you see Chirobokom and I can understand mwanya bantu mbokonke bawetera and I think a president that's why he tried to raise the economy na koweka ibintu bingi sana for example akaleta free education if we can remember from the previous president
yes
eregato etama verbo na primary
naro onto akanyura nanya ikirete banya gatere school pobulia veri mwaru ananjira goeta
this is somebody ekera sobugambi you know he's a great scholar and a great economist and above all a good administrator so akara sobugambi of course and actually you know this the person or passed the first motion to have multi-party system that is 1982 akara this motion and you know that time atu abate
Ekeumbu Gia Siasa
naimba tukanu
yoka hono bono tutragenda wo igontegete tuligererie umuyigoyo umuyigo korekanete gocha giteri tukuri juma gocha mpaka litukuri arero muno era onyore murayo bwentunde ya kabiri nero musike Daniel Moi nere na asira mutuka bwangaiga ande yake ayekero kurigeria mangana aya gose meyege yekero kunyirigeria oko eni kwa rero na kuri ku umurayo bwentunde ya kabiri nkoro kyo ngo tuiske nene gose ningo bwate se kisungu tukuruka kala mono kuvu yes
Actually, to so compare between the late President Daniel Moi.
Yes.
Na President the late Stanley Emilio Mai.
Yes.
Mai send-off was very colorful. It's like all the presidents in Africa actually were here. If the president was not here, maybe send the tribute or maybe somebody representative to come and give the condolences. So which means that he was a great man.
Okay.
Actually, this man, Mai, Emilio Mai, it was somebody, I can say it was somebody, man of the people in Africa. And maybe in the world.
Okay, iliyo mugusi yako igu kabisa kubwate. Ndeto mukwandirike gusi, ilinda ko igu kabisa.
Turatenga no muntu manyekanete ime ya Kenya, ime ya Africa, ane wale ngema. Asti bikorobyaye, and buna actually after Ekeumbu Gia Siasa, na lituanza kora changes.
Okay.
Na lituanza kora ngakumbe. Omorai na water powers yoko mekinchi anyonchore
okoreta maunchuri
akora maunchuri kujare makoro to the current one.
Okay.
Look at him to one actually na the president yekerera the sitting president ya maitinga crossia onyene para. If you know, for example, we look at Thika Highway. That was brought by Mai.
Moi Kibaki.
That's everything is a project. It's a project. It's a project.
Okay.
It's the only project. Aje kinya kitari, aje school, aje now free education. Because Ekeumbu is now empowering the
abantu. Bon, turaenda se infrastructure n'ibintu ibindi. Turigererie korengana mnabana jeshi bakora ekwirendeye umuyego gwikomwalio. Ande akokora no muyigo Kibaki. Tori uri utagete manja mange origereri none kera rusigo Nairobi go chambo mambia rero ne bara batumeka moyi batumugete ndege koiro mubere baka liange kabrak baka makonyo konyoireka gorora no no ine bwaye bwaringe simple yani none ngore ntire kunyire none ngira bare guticherera ibintu byaringe okorona Kibaki no totally urumukanyiku tatagete mangana mange.
First of all, Ekeumbu Moi akwete was the passing of the late President Moi. Na otra tenga lende no nyeta ete de barabara. If you compare the distance from Nairobi to Kabarak,
nentambe
echiko tenga ne para wale weta
bale ko chinga kichinga.
But if you compare now from Nairobi
to
Nyeri,
the distance
the distance not that much as kwenda baka Kabarak.
Yes.
Now Togo say, and you know the funny thing was again to create unique. These presidents, they are about Nababo Balitangoria.
Boss Baberi.
Yes.
Moi Lena Gatangana. Okay.
Moi
Emilio. Okay. Moi Lucia Gatangana. Mwaka buchiri bwibira ikomne sana demo. Akamakuruma.
So you see there's some similarities.
Yeah.
So but rende mo president ya yaralete ye korokana na bensenya ya nyorete ko irianya na this great man has passed on. Ye kamek even all the presidents in Africa was arrive Africa bakarianga there is a very important person osirire in Kenya olinge president anda kortama
ninki gikagete kirete yo kolekana ande yake na ndoroje miaka bete ni miaka 10 yoka eyo sobora ibwense kurumaiga ngurigeriore na bete omorai ko somubunge umubete sentunde chintabe yangi miaka 50 esense mo don home eyo rebonga makadara na boigo kogenda semo ya uthaya emiaka ye 10 ya yobora ibwense igo yabwate impact mono kubwe miaka iriende alenge guchimaiga.
Exactly. You know, this is the moment to understand the system in government.
Yes.
After being the member of parliament, or the first when he was elected from I don't know, member of parliament, I think that was the time of Kenyatta. I can sing president or your served years under Kenyatta's regime,
Moi
regime. And being also finance minister, so he's somebody who understands where to go. Inkitu kwenda tokora as a country yetu ya Kenya, tonyare konyara revenue. Inkitu nyanda tokora tole is economy.
Okay.
Inkitu nyare kora if maybe we do this, we go this system, the economy will not be it would be nowhere. So no kiro chekara sa toro, he knew the points to touch, where to touch, and actually that's the time. The Kenya economy, reset ever etanya koba.
asigikakiria kimyaka 15 iyo murai uri umukoro mutangani ni myaka 24 yo murai yo kabiri kuri inde akaire gikigeke sana gukichumi kubwe myaka iyo ndio cia kujumaira
you see kana kokora that kana regime you cannot speak if you speak the next thing utachipata pale unachipata anyway that one is sorry but you know after multi-party there was that freedom of speech somebody can come and give his views
ataliko minyokigwa ataliko irunyayo bo bonde bwenzi
and the better thing of a Stanley this is the person you know Ekara Asani for example is a minister for health or it's a minister for roads remember Karaba Ringe the minister for I think Alia ete Moscow Korokana Raira the minister for roads I think that's the time we go to the Kaza Ninetic highway
liria gotagura nyomba
yes na Nairobi Korosi chi barabara that one extended now into other up countries
okay
that's why you see even in the video theater na biona bigendre
okay engineer ande yake ngomo chire korolekananga emiaka yaye gose okoba ase ogobokoreri ase miaka metambe ande yake nkwa mwete enaro gose okomanyo konge nankia uchokora onyore na bete opposition leader ase miaka 10 na bete mo vice president ase miaka 10 na bete mo waziri ase finance iknikanja ge serikali home affairs health na bete na industrial na commerce na bete abonjo iye komo chikorolekananga experience yake ose miaka yaye usikulira lia bara imbere basoire ase oburai kera bagotire bari miaka 52 guchigoro ande yake omurai yotagiri guchigochorwa netakeruna abe miaka mingi
that one for example bona wano mwaske Emilio this is a person omanyetenga goikare tabantu bonsiamo for example you know what you're running for example is cabinet minister he must bring all the tribes into his administration so that the rekaranga
urali nseme
tunajua nani mna corona ale mtu koro central tarakanga watu wa central
bukale tabani
actually that was the person who was very fair aso kobeka go dispute
gochora abantu kurwana
equally equal distribution but Osakorra bona one of the last 5 years before bona ya urwa jokora that wa bata tabachumba bange from one tribe and which is very dangerous because with that kind of system even you cannot open up you can know where the problem is no na I want to you are just doomed even to get the correct but you know when you have a karokota no like now mosque Emilio ya correct na ntaringa muntu ko okwayera ko kumyaka muntu na bako igwegento
otegerera
orangeria muntu yumuburi nga kiri nge ko namna gani sometime when you need to get sense because you need to get tena ama tena fanya kazi yako bring me the report that's why you see could perform lakini tusakora karakio mwaka ole koroko mwaka moi karanza chinda atevinga nyarebe no mobe igo kunga saa 7 ya mchana alikuwa
kwa tiwe mirimo
na leo sana ki mara moja na nafasi yake nafanya nini
imechukuliwa
anye kwa ngaze barabara leko uzuiga ali
watigirwa ro gwatara na magoro wakizimi ole tru ya
this was somebody who's a gentleman even if there's something bad no monto korangali you dialogue maybe nanda ko won atenga ki this one you are supposed to do this also collect a panel uko why are you doing this hata inga okopta ila go tenga okay fine
kikiabere kikiam
orekepishe hapa na hapa such that no ana soko genda baka orekepishe so that you perform well and therefore you see every ministry was just performing everybody was left with the freedom of working
yo correct tuligererie serikali yaye no nyo koretai bintu bire bigote bigubike bitachiete muna yaganiri usikunyora chinga kichia nalio mangana lya anglo leasing yachete escandeni ya anglo leasing ya bwatraneti abantu ko beka chizi chichi contract chitaiyo ejo ikairire kobeke kemoa ikaira ni serikali ya maiga mbale bagote bana takoletiwia asense mu yukurwania corruption abande batebanga omwaka bwikiri bwibere na isano na ibere kiri bwibere na isano neseto gisegikiria nigo chere niti uchumi nonye miakiria irete mete ketatu ebere korosi uchumi kuru mwaka bwikiri bwibere kuiko mwaka bwikiri bwibere na isano na ibere ese gieli niga yara nitikire kento maiga kolengana naye
that is true. Ekiagera ekera irete remember the ekera go kora multipartism ekera was the first time. Actually that's when he performed. Now the second one Karoche, you see he had an opposition. The prime minister you see it was chaos.
Okay.
And that's when they have now the Nusumkati government. Nusumkati government, he was not free. Because remember, where is the alarm? And you know he was a very soft man. Tatageti was a gentleman. Yani that person originally okay, do it. That opportunity. So in that process, it can create a loophole for corruption to come in. Because there is opposition here, about the opposition. One kilometer once reported to this boss. There is Kibaki's team, there is Raida's team. So you expect such kind of this system or administration a problem in the world.
Toira nango maigese serikali entangani. Ese nkikiagerete kolengana na inkiuroje serikali entangani kiagera bairiro bugambi mwaka bwirwe mo chimya kenda 53. Mbabwate migondo yonse abasungu bachire nkikiagerete serikali yorochero tiyaikera ebirenga yatagete.
Now for example karo naone karo totenga the first ekarotwarete from the colonial system. Kama pretenda chetaga tutigabona
tutire bakemi kiregento
the settlers bachire bantu batire mikondo Kenyatta agasoa that is the Papa wa Taifa the first president of Kenya njamete naroma tenyanyi njamete kolete problem because that time again bogambi mbwanya tokotware problem between him and the late Jaramogi
Oginga Odinga.
You see, and that time, the president, that power as the president, as the nation was so much. And you want to know
Tomboya, Karaoke, Robert
Uko now the second one.
Pio Gama Pinto.
The president now at powers, now eliminate. Go say the system of the government can do anything to you. So everybody was now working under fear.
Okay.
And remember, when you work under fear, you might not perform more than bora nipata yangu, sitaki kukosoa. Hii kaleta that system.
Okay.
We could not perform well.
Okay.
Unlike Ekaroma, you know, Ekaroma freedom, how can I answer with your boss? Promoting this problem, there's a problem here. I suggest it's in a cure to open up.
Okay.
Dictate, sincerely, you can't go far.
Ugasinkia. Biamano kigima mwanchu murigeria asogendete kurigerigwa Mr. Mosoti agontebina microphone yomogeni tigamuskerie microphone yomogeni agontene microphone yomogeni erare kigima ono bono thaiti to tire omoroberio gatonyo bekerioka egenderere autani erare kigima nkirinde wono te yotorakore goika emirime egenderere tinkagireti abuo kagete bono morobe Mr. Mosoti engana ya onkaite nga ya ikire twa mu na muskiri buya gato bono gaho kwangu muigura anda akora mentally yogi na indi amanye kwiguna ngani ya ikire musamsoti twa kwigure ngana ya okigima bia mono nagendra kuri SMS ya ilinde ngakiende yonsi itokonye soma gaiga igotonda to kwanira igoro ya amangana ari guse legacy ya Mwai Kibaki na bogo tukuri serikali kindi guchimahega na gichiabere chigokora na bono mna tugochikosoa asobochori obobogendrete busyo bono tugasoa serikali ya Moi.
Serikali ya Moi na ntangani
mwaka bwe 1978 inkiera nere kia Moi girete
Moi again the president of the Republic of Kenya. Imagine you know he took over him, it's like he took over like you know the constitution was if the president dies the deputy
vice president
after 90 days.
Okay.
So the 90 days Even people never realize that this person, Okoroko Moi, will take over to be the president. But you know, Moi, being very clever, and you know the 48 rules of power, he was somebody who was very low. Yani alikuwa mtu mpole. Even the president himself never realized single month yonachiko
kana bumurai.
Kenda gote wenda wakoreke. But he knew what he was doing.
Okay.
Through that ikamu make no anaba ariko mumukopale ko bamubangirete bakanyoranga bagotobwa.
Okay.
Therefore he sailed on akabaki akabe president.
Bonoroche andi yake asingi nchujukurwanira marimo.
Yes.
Ikiara kinga kijiria abasongo bakire bono rasilimali ere nyingi abantu bakaminyoka kurwanirira marimo n'ibintu bindi bingi igikairira ande akena mbagenderera noro kigende kingia spirit over gochese serikali ya Moi.
Well egente kia maene no ene kare serikali ya Moi abantu abange muri bayitwa marimo nemiti Left Valley those places here in settlers areas abange now for example when you look at the scheme settlement scheme malimana abasonga arenge bantu bakayewa because na mbono ngende settlement scheme na bakonya no muntu abu yatobole mu 100 acres 200 acres I know most of them buy to but it's okay it needs a word because that time not running a system not now as now but in that time even the population was very few bantombama you know like those places konya na chenge pushi ono konya ro muntu ngagenda na koire gari
na koire kuchabule me ogite
so one karo you see as we are growing as we are now going abantu bansle ko kama iso but rende is right now it is now time bading ama mai konya koreke which is okay kiagara that was the system yes
wono ya ikire twaruru burayi obwo twikiro mwaka wikiri bwibere na ibere kero monta atagete serikali engia kira kanyora barasire nili ya Moi bintu mbia lenge bya twanyore ya Kibaki bono gaiga no tukwanere mona ki omurayi Kibaki na toleterete free education na kyura kwanire ngakiri ikyar nonye gento tokoroka okurwa abana kuruse kirasikia gatano gatatu gochia form 1 nigo gwaki netange kurwa 40% paka 70 oroche kibesa kitakire ichi free education ye maiga yaje akareta 9 free secondary education nanye keti na we dobwate ICT kigagikyo nali bitangendemo arenge mu PS
correct
ebintu ne bingi naki omurayo yero roche nkiaroche baka agacha kukoleta maunchuli ya bwangu
amuntu korokunga you know he was a great economist and these people knew that at the end of the day now I think where is getting the money to cater for education where is getting the money to cater for primary education and secondary education so telling a month because for him to have decided that now we got other economies why we can answer but saying if we do for example to improve our revenue collection through taxes egamitane konya chiwe chisaine supported this section actually no even the improvement of medical facility it was improved not very but it was improved education was improved ebinte bingi bikaba improved
abusugwa kwa nanga ogusangire kwebango omwaka wikiri bwibere na ibere nigo serikali yagusangire yange 200 billion kurende asige kitali gake gigo chige chikaenda maragatu kikaba 600 billion igoro chine nchere ya moyo konyara chibesa echo gokorera amount ryo chibara mno gwateba chibara njera osretwe railway noroche ya Mombasa gocha nonya bantu bagoteba na ni yabete inflated chibesa nchajete ihoro wetanie kiwango keria kurinde na korete amagendo
actually what it is ekero muske the late president Mike Kibaki this is the revenue we are going to acquire now mtobwato possible for example to improve our network we improve education system even this SR from Mombasa to Nairobi this was the system of my Rakenda Kanyanda over to whoever was to come in or Euro but really you see if you see the current government there is a problem neye ekarabaswa government bakabanga na antu together but in the real sense banta ambalinga together kiro munda ta kwale biaye kiro munda ta kwale biaye So you remember the first 5 years, the government was under Mosqueruto. Even you see the system ya administration, you see, I can't handle with such kind of system. Do this, do this. That's why you see the Minister for Financial Record Henry Rotich. This guy is for Minister for Finance. That's the time the government did to teach such nyingi.
Okay.
Reason being, amonto no yo sobo.
Okay.
Oyo no muntu wako no matenga kiganto.
Koraiga guchiga iga. Eteliga.
Actually to kanyana muntu kwa that loophole yawa sokichwa serikali.
Okay.
Now the second time Mekaromo the head of state one of the boss akaja kurealize na lirojas usitia banta once.
Akabeke
akamix.
Kurindi mtukanyara biasariki. Mungu nara gotana mutumeke Ekeumbu mono korogana tukale kwa ndege songo tutumeke Ekeumbu yake bia mono. Ande yake umuntu rabase gotebana none serikali yero. Egentu kyanyerete tamo nikine kya ICC.
Exactly.
Igo tia bwatanete. Na bantu babwate common goal ya ringinga twerusie asa mangana ICC. Ekero barwo ondetayo tagetonde.
Exactly.
Twakorire bono
serikali. The government of purpose.
Okay.
The thing alende na watu walenge ICC.
Twabwate twe.
Wana naende bakanyora sympathy votes. But of course rende chikora chiro chikora kananga who was the winner and who won and who lost. But rende they won.
Okay.
So ekarabaira serikali ekanyoranga now that person is eyeing akinsa gukora gari na bonkorusie gento. So gukora gari and you see the current president of Wete no muntu mororo. I think alikuja kulia lesina obe
ebintu byachire
ebintu byasarikirega kai ngakinde maidibu ngakia mangana ariga bintu ngare byachite akali nariyo kibono achite kota boka
mbagacha kwetana
agaanza kurosia bintu buronge agaanza kubeka bintu system vizuri orocho naona gocho koreta bakora abantu bari bare okoreta matianyo kumubeka nere bone mo
atenere muna oi overall utinere
actually no I bone karoto bagusitorega bagusistora bitamate it's a luck ni advantage na tobwate
gotwara matianyo gorali
to mugusio minto okorunga matianyo. This is the person nere what making mugusina somewhere in the government. Tarimonto kuchezero.
Okay.
Nande mo akoli matiangi nere Dr. Matiangi. Na kirenga serikali yibu na banyibwate tanyibwateiga. Rokore simu asikenya tari.
Nere no ali kuruma.
Nere no ali. Isago suka.
Nere no ali.
Which means that he knows the system.
Okay. Oge ntute tukoboria. Mbija mono. Serikali ile bwate metinyi mekesana. Erwo. Ngayo muguzia kujikoba.
Bono na kiki bagusiba minto tawatebaiga. Abagusi totaraji wakachikora. Last time mtu akwananga ekero gochoro murai. Ekero gochoro murai umubi. Mayanga wanu gocho twara. Tainga ni ino murai wachora. Everything's going to be bad. Ikere bono murai taje ko monto kokora magendro. Igabwate ndo bwate scorecard. For example, Ruto koira. Osira iro koira.
Yeah.
The last 10 years, almost Ruto as the deputy president. In Kia Tokoleire. You know, good must surpass bad. Of course, we don't talk about 100% in Oromia. Lakini biribi ya tawatenga monto na monto tomo chikora gosto mwakire na ba otokora.
Okay, tianko boli. Igire libono tugatura chakire Ruto abaire serikali yende. Ya ikirase baetanire entunde yakabere kengamba bere tiamo. Kuchakira umwaka w'ikiri 2013. Ikiana lyo muraiwense no muraibuo kyamo ya odimba kwananiti. Magendero tayo akorekanire kuruenga kiigoja baramo. Ebintu binde binge bigokoreka no muraiwense okorokana okogenda alia. Ruto nigabereka konjukana na iganalia bateba bakorire birakini tayo. Na kibonera ike ochake kumubekerere record ya niri ekero kumulikira nsenkyo kulikira usura like biri bya kuru mwaka w'ikiri 2013 baka.
That's what we had done
2017
from 2013 to 2017 serikali yalenga majorly omuntu reko nyongoza Ruto actually the president was cool keno kwa corona karare in the podium o kwano kwa na William na wewe ongea akamwa that opportunity.
No ria
And this person akarealizing this person there is a loophole here. Before I discover there is a loophole, I shall have got something.
Okay.
Mone kromo oyaje go discover kai. Things are bad. What do I do? Bono truch agansa the winner the second term. The second nanga ki bono colleague. And you know what? In fact, no ana ekarole nyumba everybody. When you don't have peace even in your house. So this guy yakaranga ki ideally chikuna na chiarete. Of course, there is somebody I want to bring in the government into a peace. Go to a peace, I might move.
Okay.
Because Roger Konyagali, Monto Korokane, Raira, then a Kisafari come Musfanya. This guy Nera Kanyaranga, my friend. This person, if you want to succeed and if you want to have peace, but the other guy, because already era manyanga konyore kwenende, gata get that piece there boro. Lakini rende actually Uhuru did something very good. Go shake that handshake. That handshake, all the time, ata kupita kwa barabara ilikuwa ni.
Na komu yale.
Uhuru tuwa magena, buatu riwe. I remember one time, korwe Doret, that's the time. Yena atere tuigari birole.
Birole kero
goja kusingo tamagoja. But rende ekere handshake yaba and all that. Vitukaturiza by the way. So naberinga ekero morayo korokana ero uru. Ni muntu ga kirende no nyebona time teyo. Lakini no muntu wate nkore ere ngororo.
Okay.
Tabu ate nkore liani wate yani
mate ndigitani
yokwe. Na ngoro ya ina rudi chini.
Okay.
For example, sa corona na wone karo ekera wa vice president ya ukwana. Ya ukwana with force with the yani inataka hii fanywe namna hivi. Umurai wende kwa you know like mwai. Ekera ukwana gento in what sense.
Abuno nataka nkobori. Abuno nataka nkobori kiagera. Usikubagira usikurigiria serikali ya Mwai Kibaki.
Yes.
Usumurai turi Mwai Kibaki muno murai.
Yes.
Na Uhuru Kenyatta muno murai.
Yes.
Ekero ko barigiria aba babere.
Yes.
Nkiura bogori kurwese Mwai na ndokerete kagase Uhuru.
If you see Mwai during the time of Mwai, Mwai matana kokumurama.
Akire.
But what answers you is the results. You know, the result speaks louder. Action speaks louder than words.
Okay.
But then you see one sia ikire karaba ikire se amonto korokana refice na the president wameanza sasa kutupiana maneno.
Okay.
Yani hakuna heshima. Oyo murta ujiga. Oyo murta juna wewe ni tanga.
Aikieleweke kuche.
Kieleweke ujiga. Montro ujiga hakuna heshima.
Lakini noni go umurai Uhuru totebo sumbu onyoro muchando kurwa Seruto takoreti magendero bia none serikali yanusumukate mbaigwana ine ikiagara Raila ari kungusa kuchia no murai Kibaki nere abantu baibangusa kuchia
well
lakini agaika gukora magendero bite
you see what was happening nusumukate neringa ki you do this I do this if you don't do this onya toyo kora bune ngoto kwana nko akeriogi onya okora na gukututu agi ngotegera tokore gase ina yari nge problem bona oyachi kwa ngatigachi ko kore binteri onya oro nko mwakrare elio ikoruga iga you remember the Mwai atate kubeka abantu kete in the cabinet Raila agatena mambi agatena kia abantu abu yako ne bintu byaye Raila agatena ya because ntageta amani
tigaze
ira mo kore na matagete you see karo kore kabireyo tubuati amana tubuati that power yoko appointing akora gento gete ikareta that weakness so that bintu byagendera boronge that is the thing kiareta te a problem between obugambi bwa Raila I mean the musumkati the musumkati issue eye kanyara kanyaranga wono ntubuati obora yobia ebintu bikore tubia bikaera you see no ane karobiera still there was that war to a 2013 still the election more betole ngoro
okay more betole
2017 more betoyo nali mo nga kibono ayata Ruto
nkitogonya
kubonera tiata ento kwana ni totiga maganaya tochito koreke when already things are bad.
Lakini okubwatana kwa usogokwana ni kumuraibwense na Raila ingikwa gwaserete Ruto
bona abona ekora
ekiagera bakwana niri omorembo ochire tango na libanyoro libaga lioko kolemere mobia wakiuchumi buna bantu tebe
actually gento kirokyo ndatenye inenda mom ekiagera murayo muya you know that's why gento kana batenga ki gento batenga ki BBI that thing onyeta hii manani ya kupigana aitakuwa because well it says that immediately the second runners up comes the leader of opposition automatically
anyolege ntonere asago isransa anyolege
in fact neno ali
tabera isiko
tabasiko
barro kanena tabwati kende
bono trocheru terega teketinga ki hakuna kitu cha mtu nusumkate serikali ni yaito you know umuntu wake ruchikoro nyorere chikira like 7 million and above omamshinda kidogo huyo sio mtu ya kuchezea
nabwata mandu bako mutegera
nabwate nere something akaba listen to umuntu umubungerense kapisa inse
nona tokugamba
you see that's why akaratokora na for example even from the Biblia igasa kukelikia kia Abraham gia Isaka no mwana oli onyora tukorosiko
Ismail
these are the people on our Al-Shabaab.
No, we
want also our share from our dad. Yes. So na kyokora wanta they go anywhere back skills by America back ajibomb bacha Kenya we don't have peace. Lakini abanta roche banta mocha mabwate peace. Do you think that thing will not be there?
Ewe konyalikana. Bono tuligireriga. Miaka 10 ngo twaerere serikali yinkuru erororo. Mbabwate libaga ndio kokore ibintu.
Yes.
Ase ntunde ntangani ne yakabiri ndi bakoreta magendero bia ase serikali yetu lego
ntunde ntangani kende nkebeti other than I think it was just maybe a time for scooping a time kunya
yokoragira
wono matembo no mwara ikorokoruto amine Raila amine Uhuru oro chance dokore binto akarono yakana roche SGR ya air enkonya kufufu hale bintu but not as aja ko bayo umuntu bantu baramo bono koranga na yarbiye ko gukora from because no even there was a handshake this other person tabati and powers no riye ko korake oligaro to because then the asomolemo lakini umuntu wa chinguru ningo ne president so which means na ataka ko kole bintu still na what opposition kiagara okogenda ali magoro abakwaro yondate ni TV komunko anamchambua wono muntu tubwa at peace so if these people could be ngamba no abaramo hakuna mtu angechambua mwingine si wangefanya kazi pamoja
ni mbio bala kole kazi wono even no nye serikali ili ya Kibaki anyore to muchando bwe chiku jisei iki alinge kimbe kigima kuvuwa mne serikali ya yanyori bado na akorete ya magenderero kubuwa none serikali bona kredo ko sobo chori obule busyo ningi tubonete ko kumanya go sobwe somya ko rwaze serikali ya maiga kredo ko chora go se murai kitu tagete
unabono renda se arocho bora yobo bwono bode the current osakoli na maisha mepanda petrol ya lenga less than 100 ya chiri yone kali ko 200 kwara to bintu things yani bintu bigenda kokina why the stability of the country when there is no stability in the country even the investors
mbaikocha
nakiagocha ada pesa yako kurudi tu abatu na like nakomat all those
chabo uchumi
but
nyantaskisi njio
and the first 5 years bono konya nango muntu na arenga ari watenga ki ufanye hivi kama sio hivi
ande no lengereti na singincho operating tebe operating cost ya lengigoro estimate igoro tax kirigoro kirigo na giye kwara company chinyi giche
they close because
a problem ni iri gati serikali ye ni iri nkoro ikiareria ya Kibaki ebintu bya gendrete ji company naona mabere ngagia sa tigertu ni jibasi chalengense sana nge 40 shillings bodi kama bere 500 ml igare 80 shillings
exactly
inki giya jitagatia bakye serikali yeboniga ebintu bya chirugo kine
you see now when there is a corruption in the government you expect that For example, when the tax is too high, no any the only korali korali ngombe we kalikine. Even to maintain this cow, we can meet. So then the product na mabere. Mabere I koriki.
Again they go.
Now, when they create a tax ere normalize, ere normal investors by Chile and all this, the tax it's manageable. No, I want everything will be very easy to manage. So in the annual during that time, overall the current, it is able to changes sana in terms of to manage. No any business can manage. You can't manage.
Okay.
You go on your business after some time, was an rent you amount of mobile, you're too high. I could struggle over run a business. Then, so which means that the producers nabake. And when they produce, when you have economics, when the demand is so high, then the price also shoots. It goes up. It goes up because the supply is not there. What we expect, this the kind of want to answer experience, and unless ega serikali guchigocha etware utulifu unabono serikali yeye turikibona unabono ibona koranga yame binge bya korreki bya kiramu yes tebya tuna that time umuntu akikoyomo or a decision maker no, this time is like people must sit on the round table ba share ideas karaba share ideas kero montaro idea yaye yanyerengia tumeke anyerembe egifu another one and by that to konyoranga unyanyansi takwa. Okay.
Bono ntagete asinge gutogosoma kurumaega tumenya kugenda gukibucio twarigira likuruga serikali kya etire eye tole bono neye ichigo chigoja ikere mitinyi mekega ngosotole serikali inya itutama itiruto gusiraira exactly tiganko boli egatia ruto na raira emiaka Gerantwaligira likibaki twanyoranga korengana ni miaka yaye kurumaega muna akinire gocha experience ya twalire nkiamo konyete correct gochigo spa usigukinia uchume exactly age gose miaka nechiko be factor asoba choli obole busyo
well it can be but rende and anene it depend the scorecard ngomonto ngakira. For example, in America monto ngachobo Biden it's almost like the age
Joe Biden early 79
almost the age of Kibaki.
Yes,
I mean Raila, sorry.
Yes.
So and this guy ameshika sasa the economy in America has come back than during the time Mekaro
yaringe Trump na inde orochi covid yaje mtegerena lakini yakine
bona karo monto liaso serikali akaleta those akaleta all those people the stakeholders akabaleta together akabatebi na kitoka kwa serikali so uchumi iranire back.
Okay,
the same thing serikali yaito isa konyora tosako choro murayo aida beruto osabe raira ndoko mangonya sata chorete abo montoro motolif aleta bantaba round to table wamanya hiya hapa tumekosea tufanye nini, lakini chikobanga no monto go dictate still now we are going to more ditch
gobono ase miaka tego chiko koligere rubuna experience kyo monto ngego chiko
miaka nero ekegara kuna ono monto ko Raila I think nero wakiri into obera si serikali chisato no monto manyete in and out actually Ruto rende no nyabona gole popular is a starter as Raila. As Raila, ekere miaka Raila abeira serikali. Ni miaka Ruto abeira serikali.
Emekake kufusu.
For example, this system being a bottom up. For sure, tindo chinga kira nyarekana because umuntu wote nga bottom up is a billionaire. Tawo ntengo umuntu yonko ni alenge chingoko. Krawa ni chingoko. Ikamameke akabebirane. That's the nonsense of the isoda. Tugutumaina.
Kolengana mno kolengera.
Lakini vono. But then you see now aso muntu yonse tereta manyeti. Tanga nchumate na kona kikora ndege. Hiyo ni kudanganya. You must work hard and you must kuikoleta okolegasi na kwa bidii na ndoleta bantu bali into office the stakeholders muikaranse mu discuss mumanye where the problem is mumanye ngakimunka imukorekebisha es mama komyo korosi economy mama korosi uchumi togo ndengo mongnori bwe kwende bichinyeni osomo ntori komyo kepigipigi kosema kanga utamanye tikende just a drop out Ochikumobeka same ministry as now the minister for education. You must put somebody omanyete
ngai
omuntu oyu amaye kanga this is the system. Ngakitoko kora omuntu oli bwichinyeni. Omuntu oli mepanga kwende oli kon chinyeni mama mboga. Ngakitoko mokonya. For instance, that's why you see for example like a bank ekorkunga Equity it has excelled. Reason being kwanyara osino monto ko susaina ogenda ali otenga kitu akore kiri busana monto yogenda gali obike ora osikaro gekia wanza kokore kwend wanza kuwakana ogokora I want not alone through you are empowering this person so that the same thing etuare system in the government ngake konya bantaba
ande ake norochi ne ine renjira batete gutumika use serikali ya Ruto ya bottom up nere ibate gutumika koleta jibesa babanta babake
but area according to that system area watenga ni serikali yo muntu mutaka well sio mbaya but under what yani asenchera kiye eko formed nogo pick abantu bali you know you must have people bamanyete into bakora so that bakonya abantu abali nsabate kwenyara tokora to muntu tai kwenyara ochikumobeka service ateneroro
okay kwaletere chibesa ku serikali jo tabanga we empower young people kwaletere osini chibesa kwa ira abantu abako ndi chipigipigi mbabu ati education na kibago chiko otumika chibesa na kiko nyaleka
omuntu otako manage after a few days monto yokonya nando answer kubwati mutarakana ikiata you know the system ega mtego ng'abantu abe gosina abe chipigipigi the system onye nuko bahira gose basoma migo kidogo ngakia ku manage message ngakia go save so that ngakia ko make the profit so that amonto yamanya okoraki amanya go excel lakini to wocho unaona umuntu you see for example you are not maybe economist umuntu acha kwa ngatu akore 10 billion tata to manage no nyare to konyara because it's not your profession so abantu batokanga ngakitokora this system enaro from the top eche bakanse so that umuntu yomutaka umuntu yokon chinyeni umuntu yokon chinyeni ngakia kwa konyo that one will work
okay aine sense mo economy tuligererie ase gati ya Raila na Ruto ningo orarwani corruption asa babere
definitely hiyo ni wasiwasi ikerna okay we do you see nchetingo kwana buna as an engineer ndiko tena nyara benki yale but from the history and from the performance ne bintaba ntaba akolire ne bintu bigokwanwa na bondo chenga asomo hakaraira na barale the economy back why he had been nama ete where the loopholes are okwanda ali achitiche kala chitichire investors waswe kala investors waswe maite investors kala yaso na abichane ba kore skura abantu abalisiko abakonyora kigazi kala banyora kigazi unabona sakulilia ase boda sector yani aba jana bucha na babwete problem na ubajire abantu the graduates
baso metere kini
tabu atone yentako kora lakini bono because ana namna monto yo for example can you remember this your son or your daughter nyokoro university tabu atikenda kora the next thing okonyo
arunka kera ko chakala osakara runo kwa kore skuru
mwanzo kwa mweta na gari onye ne kichana gari the next thing anyome akoretere oanze kuragirire
no munyina abana baye amura
does it really make sense
that doesn't make mwanjo muriria mbia mono kigimo gendete kuriria umurubiri yo Ekeumbu tukandete ukwanira igoro iya mangana yeji serikali abo igokwanira igoro tutagete kurigira igoro serikali ya Moi Kibaki oitwa batoko aniri tukuria rero nabo igoro serikali ya bono ne serikali chigo chikocha ndogendete kurigira asobo chori bogo chikocha bosio ningo orabe umurai egati aba babiri bakororokana kubutyo bande mbaroro bakuburi uburayi obo kurende mbaro babiri bakororokana bari busio oyu Raila na Ruto bona bikirengeri kyao nabo gotoma bale bake batumire kirengeri kyabo gaiga nigo ngogubwichi kubisoma abandi bagotamana kero Ruto alinge ase serikali umwaka w'ikiri bwibere na 13 ebintu bingi nigo byalinge biye korende ekero Raila chigoso ase serikali economy gasareka timanyitie kina kikorende nkobolinde analyst itoga igatotebina ande akere na roche ngana yimuna iga Thomas Mongeri igagoteba mbiya kegima na tuligeretie mbiya mono kegima na arege gokurukwa agatabana Hello Ndizi TV. Kibaki was a real leader who cared for ordinary mwananchi. I don't think that serikali ya current regime will have a leader like him. Geoffrey Chacha kurwasuneka nero tebre na kurengana nero murahibwense nyagusira mwa Kibaki nigalengo murayumia takonyara kubwekania serikali yo ne serikali ya bono narege kokotabana gatia mwa Kibaki na Uhuru wote mbiyabale mbatageti abantu baitere amanyinga nabo igo korengana no kwegena kwabo kurwa se jikanisa nigo batageta abafwasi babo mbaruana gosembaleta gisege mbiyamo no kegima mwanchu murigereria mbiyamo no gendera kurigereria na gutoma SMS yawe ili tunyaraga nyosoma asomuro buli obwe Ekeumbu chinga kijinga bunejika tokwanda somo tumokomoke korendekera tokwerena ntogenderere gokwandera amangi nabo igo ntokwandera ake ne ntokwiba gokwandera igoro ya siasa chi county cheito Nyamira na Kisi ekiagera ekera twakwanira igoro aria ndagwika tokwane na nsegaiga egekogera twika tujakerenga na hinkana rwika torosie biamono kigima togenda somo tumokomoke nkwere na tole indi togendere no murobilio obwe Ekeumbu biamano
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Bwumugusi Ndizi TV Ubwansu Bwumugusi nigo bono yakoni kirundekerene nego kurendera chibicha chinkia naboigo chinkeno nukukigima nabogo tonyora asoro gonkor bogusi neji county chito etanaine una county ya Kisi Nyamira Homa Bay Bomet Kisumu Migori nechi semo chinde chinyinge nigo kotonyora asite kode ya Star Times channel 195 Go TV channel 824 na free to air decoders digital TV na smart TVs Scania TV yao na boigo onchore ilio yao igo iko yenyore Ndizi TV nigo turine kirenga ekigo korentera emerubuli emerunge chinka kichonsi Ndizi TV Ubwensu Bwumugusi Osmo Traders Limited neduka ye hardware ijweri miyumu chukisi eko nibintu au byubwagachi asamugurinse mono nigo bubwate chi computer chikobrukane chirange negwikere chiriuraganie boigo mbabwate sanitary wares echuchire chibakuli chichicho chisink nebinde binge mbabwate bintu byo gutumika gukora plumbing gusekobeke mefreji ya mache buna chipipe na boigo ni chita mbabwate chichibot buna chiria cha chipsam na boigo MDF boigo mbabwate chitiles chiria chikwarwanse ase nyumba na chiria cha granite marbles batarire asiduka yabo ijira se nyumba ya old Sansora building angenegete sinyekenene gechigari imeyumu chukisi gusoba kirisimi ase namba enoti sano na ibire eye mukianda inye isano enoti inye isano nemo Osmo Traders Limited. Customer satisfaction guaranteed. A company ya Davis and Shutleaf nigo ya korentire chimashini au shekerero icho gutumika simirimo yao asobo korali bwabo nigo bakonia chipampu chiria cyo gutumike engine na boigo ichi gutumike stima nkoni abali chiria cyo gutumika asugusyalira ebimelia mache mugondo cha sprinkler na boigo drip irrigation boigo mbubwate chipampu chugwa kamache kurwegesima mbubwate chimashini choko na chobunyansi chi generator chibirengo au chi solar panels chogo charge chi battery na koga chumuliro na boigo chiria choko bwati ya mache mbubwata mariogo yugo sibia mache yukonywa ebi abuso nebintu binde bingi bigutumika asugusibia swimming pool nigo vakubika chipamp chuwaka mache icho gutumika stima gose sola kurwase chibohol gose bisima kuikase tanki yao voigo nechitaya gose birogo byo gutumia sola ekero kwagurire kurwase bare nigo bagukubuguria umusigo guikase nka yao nigo bagutoka imeyumu chukisi ase bara ya Hospital Road angene benki ya credit ase roundabout irangi na KTRH bakiresime ase namba inotisano nebire inotisano nesato isano nemo ibere isato isano nemo inye isano gose enotibere enotisano nemo kianda isano nemo isano nesato eyemo isano nebire marakabire gose enotibere enotisano nemo kianda isano nemo isano nesato eyemo isano nebire ibere gose enotibere enotisano nemo kianda isano nemo isano nesato isato ibere inye Davis and Shatleaf ango yobo kori emirimo bwao asogotumeka chimashini chekerero esukuru yoboroso ya Jubilee Day and Boarding Primary School ni sukuru yekerero ibwata magacho yichi permanent amacha maye yukunywa estima asebirasi byonsi neri bagali nene asaboroki wabakogosoria nebintu ao bagotumika asokogosoria mbabwate swimming pool yabo ase bakwegeria aboroki wakuntimbo naboigo nkwanjira bari abantu koreta abana babo amatuku yi weekendi kontimbu nigebwate aboruki abaisaine naboigo mkuru wabali ndagera buchia saboruki wababo ekiro bali sukuru ayirira bwanko onyorera umwana olivaga ase sukuru iyo asuko batarira ensemo yage sonso opposite Mount Kenya University gose ubakire simi ase namba notisano na ibere eyemo isano inye kianda isano nemo isano inye gose notisano na ibere eyemo inye isato inye enoti ayemo kianda isano na isato Jubilee Day and Boarding Primary School nyorero mwano chisemi chebire nkobigoro Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'umuguzi.
Biamono kigimo mwanchu murigiria mtwagote na indi tweranire sentunde ya kabire kera togendere kwanera igoro ya mangana siasa abo igo na mangana yichi serikali chinene ne bintu binde bingi bitogendere tukwanera gwikabonika muna nagote byo gende kutulikira SMS go chagaiga elinde na intwento kweranirie kolengana buna kwaboriri bono litukana turande somutumoko na rayo yomogo tebanga chinga kiruta linga serikali ni igo bintu byalenge bya kurinde keraruo mwaka w'ikiri bwibire na communistano na isato go ikabono kero Raila na Uhuru babwatana ni go uchumi ya sarikire ebintu byakinira magori nekira ni riswali eri
now that one mbi ekara maene serikali ruta bachagete na Uhuru it was very smooth ekushoni ntanto kwe bolinga ki ni nini kilifanya inki kiagarete o Ruto na Uhuru wakaenda parallel.
Okay.
Ni nini kiagarete Uhuru na Raila wakashake hands. There must be again tukete sababu nene yarengene sana baka o maybe Uhuru akaranga no. Aiga timbu atiamani.
Tingo teko nyarega.
Siwezi kutoboa. Ikagaraga tenga nao tukankole handshake such that kusenyale complete konyora
embe okuyoko yana
space to breathe ekagara agakoraki aga shake hands ntodigo tunanga there is some things you are during the Ruto lakini inkie kenena andana ne kiagarete Uhuru bagandiva na Uhuru there must be ngati kiange kenena sana eki kono ikapaka woninga Uhuru agatenga na atebetinga ngokora shake hand lakini Uhuru ndatenga Uhuru teratenga igaru tutusa aga tusko
abege tukuchense
so kuna kitu Uhuru arojingaga
iteko nyarika ekagara kana munyo
akagenda kana munyo ikagara ma abanye moko libintamo there is no way nkoruke ngakikoruka akiranya tokore mtama iga tunafanya you know we are dialogue tuatenga tomorrow tokore gento gete man tokore gento gete ngakina ningo gweta maega na ningo ruka
okay
bone karo oruara ngakai
ya biribo
be ya kongirega agatebo munga bono nchita bondo chinge serikali sia ikire wikatala tumu moyo yarari me serikali tonyore peace of mind so that my tonyore bali ko move
okay
ikagara agashika hande do Raila
okay
and can you imagine koludia
Bakabo.
If that handshake was not there, ni serikali gani tungekuwa naye ni nchi gani tatu akaona tole boniga agatuburuka ine auru na wana galia una wana anyana bagera balenge Kisumu abanganyete yani bali balenge that area ya opposition kera bali kuitwa about that
bali balenge chinse muchinga totebe ase okonyoranga nabantu barwete kurusiko bagata komenya ase gete
abantu barwete bagera balenge Kisumu abatame ja Kisii abo balenge Mabei bagatama ja Kisii abo balenge Migori bagatama ja Kisii abo balenge Kericho bagatama ja Kisii because Kisii was the only place ya wate peace
ande goroche bocholi buri gosijise gichiriye chinga gichiriya nchagere to muchukisi ogakina
of course it made
kira kaga segi ncharenge abantu bagaja
make the economy gakina na kiokora una one of for example sasa kwanda na soborai this other tribe bali bamete Kisii abara abange unaona karo toko ngando bochumbe unaona waseno bwanyari bali ikena obra within the county abantu bali matonye bali chubiri it's a start key
okay
aso mochumbo liko tenagali oitire
gura mwabali
oitire kera you see there about 10,000
lakini okay twatebire mbya abantu barwete isiko lakini resources chiagaiga ngonyara chire ko baikera ikera tusikole none sewage system irenze doroje none ubi njire rutire everywhere oroche ne baikerete barengaine baratipa
no there is a problem mono abunde to kwana se county unabono mosiko itongwae ongwae Chenso Mariba no mosquito sigete na ende twanjite I personally have met this gentleman no monto ni muntu ametulia maybe ntakolire okolire muna wana tusakoranga muna wana rende you see for example iga Kisii gatu abwate only mochari ya manduko tari bagai yaro to abate yarenge gai this guy I'm a fight ndogo gatu wana leo 5 that mochari is as good as living home
yo chenu boli
that
rosiri standard
that standard which is something very in legacy atirenga ki egabana I think na waro chenga binte binge gai Kisii especially na chimocha nande chilikuwa zinanyanyaza watu digalete that facility that one we give him a tick aya ekertwaje bwa stadium onyero siri na nyero siri tangani of course yaringa standard ekarotoko ralitu arenge ririe karotoko na masjide actually it was one of the best lakini ekaro uruachi go chakaranga this thing governor umefanya kazi mbona tige serikali comment chibesa wewe national stadium it is something to take tick tumanye go chabona muna chief unaona kweli ndatebe marani okorre nyaktalia marani ametengeneza tumanye kogenda chibintu buna Nyamarambe nyaktari ya Nyamarambe nyaktari go safa abantu bagusi nabagere bakoyani that's a legacy to yani bintu mbire to kotenga asirende
legacy isim tubiri akolire
asega bane bintu biri akolire buna bono totenga buna bono Sombogo tea factory yaro si of course tomatenga that factory ya bakiamwasi ekine mitotenga kimugaba naito
otemire
na teme tenere ese angaki ya yale ingi
asense mo yibara ne toteme
asense mo yibara ma tenende na kina gotenga sometime na bera bengere bana office yes assign somebody I can assign somebody I'm going to report back tanyora nga chipare chinchibya na wana system ye chipara ga teringi ya mono to kwa ne you know those things which are there chipara bana chie kora ni estate chipara interconnection nchiri they are not up to that depth
jiri kirengo kirigita ke
so kuri town nga chipara ora bara isato iga lakini kiri state still
chiko bwat ko injire bobe
tosa kurigeria sama ngana buna wono like ebintu buna wono ebiria tanya ari koros okay into batsko mwaka magene kera no aikire tabu asenga ke ya no arosi ya ikire but then you see the thing keringa no ano yogocha
nero itete kumanya bono
nero itete kumanya nero ko nere peta mono tanyororo unless oyo nere anyore system ekomavani a system ekomavani so that I guess so ya biatara akora nera akora so that to realize that money chiko national government for example like now national government iko to like 9 billion
kiro mwaka
go Chia county ya Kisii ya to 4 billion grant When I want to say miaka 10 years, that you can take is about 130 billion.
Church county.
130 billion. To ase kuna analyze nga chibese ichi. Nga kimugawa na chitogemeta.
Lakini nyore wage bill nero.
Wage bill nero. There are so many things. Wana alia sate mete. Tunampatia ongera.
Okay.
Na se bitara akora kana. Ikero mate monta yokora bionse.
To kora bionse to wikera.
To ikara bionse. No yogocha na tomatenga kina.
Na ibwatiraga.
Ibwatiraga. Kora.
Wono, tubwate Simbarati, Machogu Ezekiel, Samongeri, Chris Obure, Rachel Tundo, Oyonko Nyemweya. Abumne gatia bagabana bali bategete ujugo sororo. Korengana ujulene serikali yero ne lientangani ya chageti devolution lientangani kegima. Igo bintu binde mbire bareko weto musunteme bako mamanga.
Exactly.
According naye gusukorengana naye asa baba oroche bako bole no kwa bamanyire myaka gocha ningo ande yake oroche na oyo na kinino no uchumi ye county go se binte zinenyare kana ikiagara na inde gento gendo trandra ko nene origerie Simbarati akuru bobasi
yes
Machoguru nyari bali masaba
correct
Samongeri oru nyari bali masaba
yes
Chris Oburo orwa bobasi constituency
yes
Richo Tunduru nyari bari chache.
Yes.
Na uyongorwa South Mugrango. No nyano
that one's kwa na raisha bantaba. First of all, when this new system is in place, mate ya lingona you mate the before the devolution of the government. Ato ebintu bya linganda DC.
Yeah.
Bono kwa nyarange bintu bya DC no byo korugalia. Lakini kare system ya change the computer system ya gacha say that moment you are monitored from Nairobi na kwa it can take you na kwa approve abanta bange bataba chiwes chiba bagasarchiwa ya ikerato corruption ya lenge.
Yes,
the same thing when the system will be updated each county such that onyene award of the contract or a tender from the system from the national kwende onyenayo gosene governor onyenayo gosene whoever gosene waziri wa roads ngakikwa
rutibesityo na kwenana
ngakikwaenana
na kia bantu bali batoma maboli gochororo kiro muntu na kia nyorete gotirimbo paka ningoewa
baka the end waja kwaga this one watu wengi tena nyumbani.
Okay,
because that system itakuwa waziwazi itakuleta wazi na system yokorete na kiwakora wanali wanza na ilikuwa kwa wana magosa so it means na system itawekwa sawa sawa ndogo twara wana mnaona system ngaiga buna wana authority contractors ba tombo atamintona nga bending bills ebintu buna bantu batanya kwa kanu chibesa for a long time aba contractor ba korete chibesa ba korete chigazi bandi bakure reason
batarakanu
reason being omuntu oyo akaiwe contract ekaiwe contract you know what that help you from the governor I mean from the county na bokwande bange batenga this is the contract finance me this money will be channeled to your account mwana chicheino montegerichana gasi yako le bangi yako achibesa wakore gasi yaere
serikali te waka na account
wansira go die kwanya nga chibesa chirichia kwalo wakanu nchiyo kwanza in the first place they are not there it's already spent pono to asa ni deni unafuata ebe ngingote ringa ki my friend
tajiba chiri stress yako bwata wasira
the agent yeko kunga bona between you and the bengi the collateral aspect is maybe net audit
Yomulimo.
Yomulimo.
Yaani babuguri bulimo.
Bona family ayamenyete. Abana bamenyete. Bacha bakone ne family. Bono gasa ko
stress yako bwata gwasira.
Abambura bange tu
ba siriyo.
Unless this system go chikocha a change. So that improve that system. Abantu banyale ko a system change ngaki abantu abaye karwa kore. For example karo chwese chiki. Onye it's allocated nga chwese chiki ngana chikwanda segete. Neba nga chwese chinchire in account. Tora kore gazi. Chwese chinchire account. Actually chimo contractual yakore kara kore akanu chese
lakini akoboriga orochande ake niji system chato failiri gosena abantu belitokoleta bisi barabo ikiagera e system wese kobengia no be kondo bwensi obisi na akonda isaranso onyaga kurwe etenda abwati system eri na bega sio koleka bia
you see now for example like umugabana ito mugaba toko matengane ayani acha akole abeke gaiga ayobeke gaiga no you must have assigned somebody ekara go sign somebody. That person yamaleta report back. Mheshimiwa tumefanya hii. Anyorenga bone na wago belief nga once you are in office and you have been delegated somebody na wago trust.
Yes.
Ota ko nyorenga binto bire different. Bon at the end of the day of course is the CEO will be blamed. But in the real sense omonkorde ndeta ye.
Ndeke.
So unless that system ebe kuna ndere monted then things will be okay. Then na baba
no be como ntomio ba de vitro go sale
kera bono kunya ngapona wana abantu bali barobisi wana such kind of system corruption system eregali so unless we wana mugaba no gocho moye amanya those loopholes at seal then still will be having a problem okara kiyo seal everything akula mtata complain
okay
yes
lakini leo kuborine ki asaba baligeti nako basomera bonse
yes
ari akikora nibire kiri byao
korenga namne ngebir yana to chao chakara muntu korokunga to chakare now let's go with the by the wave na ndi munango watebiga maybe that's how the results will come if things cannot change that is if nyanya bintu bigo change to sakonyora ngabona bono momuro korokunga simbarati na bwate wave e wave neroro sabantu lakini rende ekero pokolira nyuma tuanza kwa analyze ngaki who is this Simbarati can you see from the origin we katara trenga monto kile kara nga mwempi Nairobi
ngia kolete ko decorate
so this person when you talk of governor amana you will change kisi erukubada than the what going
you go to what ikara asarure
ko asarale aya of course now what the wave lakini wana bako nomination one of my team kwanza wana kwa the moment one of the president about declare the running mates it's like now it is seed bakole abantu bagende
basogeti onyore na Simbarati abo bwana none kabate wave na basai osaino barabangi kuru myaka ya magatoro basai mbai gwakakura abaho jaboge igo bakole go siri tukuri mambi kura jigo gwako bache banywa maroma garoba barare mambi otigara hibweka
so nakina that wave wa tele bichana he has to be very careful because bichana biria no nyaba bwatu mati bichana no bwa kere bikuru lakini at the end of the day bibwatu no nekura
okay inendekemo ini fakita ya mugote bono nyi chigutikara igo na bwate wewe onye chiri koni na nyi bichana bibwate chikura lakini ni bibwake kwende kerere nabe bwate shida umuchana no
chiko muntu korokunga
Tande Machogo.
Machogo is a very elderly man, very humble man. I personally I know this gentleman. No mugaka mekoma. Na ende from the history of Masaba na averu machumbe. Na botoroche binta kolere.
Bintu migora kanabire.
Bintu kora kanabire. Na ende buna arengo modisi. Before ataraja ko kole kwende ko boli wochumbe. Mtu aroche binta kolete. Now, if this person anyore support is saying, I think then challenges must be there between him and Rati. Challenges. Reason being, that guy, is dealing now to mature.
Okay. Yes.
Nero mayana might again taokora. So as a co with that trend. Okay. lakini rende togocha na rende another side twanyoranga nabwate omuntu korukanere Professor Ngeri. Professor Ngeri, once they come from the same
negignate go tebena ere na Ongeri go bakurunya libari masaba bonse
bakurunya libari masaba na ande from one clan
na inde bonsi igo bale abantu b'imyaka yachire okay Ongeri natangane se myaka uchigoro utigarende ba kongire nona abantu bagwa pili go chese bale n'abantu ba kongire turata
amatu muntu na wono omuntu na machobu omuntu na Ongeri como beko obisi tabwa tamelio uchikokora I think yata kete into be straight
yani oitrobote
because kara ringa yangi okore binte binge no nyine obisi te ko gwikabe ke bintu boro
no muntu tageta atige
legacy kana nche nabo mugabano
ngakore
kisiga but now the scenario chikoba neringa abantu aba okurukunga Ongeri asibona se nyaribali atubwate kambanane twatwara no mubuche no motondo no musikisa abantu aba nabo dusade on 3 houses ba kuma winter na sinyaribali kwa makanya ngomuntu kurukunga Ongeri na machogo once na bagoja
okay
which means the efforts is going to split
katikati
osebe chibuna kirabe wono which means that force unless wono yo mabuna wono aito Ongeri go semachogo
atigero yone
patenga na inchi na itira bote tigango support
lakini oroje baka baikire iga kiro monta bwa the nomination ye onde narora hangi kuko bwato kero yone
well that's going to be as nali and another thing buna wono trochi arati ODM Ongeri
APK
abuna azimio hiyo ni azimio ogende orecho ni azimio
Chris Obure
azimio wono maitaba ntaba is like
bobutora na bali kibura
endagire kiro muntata dakoraki atakete kori so abantu abekera bakore kwende why don't you think oyo ndasa ko kolega sia abeke amanye yendo maite with the votes is a strategy what am I supposed to do where to attack ngaingwa attack nkingo kora nabantu ngakinko ba intense bakore ba accepting nje ba wakera then don't underrate
machogo na bako bogori rituko
don't underrate
akiagero sikuligereria Simba twate bakuru bobasi na Chris Obure bobasi nerako
aya toko
nabwe muchando noro
toko ndo bobasi torrenga kende Chris Obure being a header and omuntu manyita siasa this is a long time politician umaita serikali umaita ngakiakoli gikora umaita where to attack na ndo umaita gusinga nkona kiago
ngayago kuna
omuntu korukunga nere Simbarat this is somebody incoming tanya kwa wane mpiga kisi
garulisi kugocha
monto isikone no mai no ane subsete no ane
tomoro yugo yugo sogoti kare to kya buiri yugo timuri berete
so okay apart from that wave omongwana kurukunga nere Chris Obure na mate kurusova ngakia komukora kiarende no ikara togotara na goko toro chinde nchite am not tindi mobasi na gotara kwa wali
ngakimugweta ayaningo
na ano kwa no baka no soba Chris kwa boli ngakiga na ande kwanda soba na kwa boli ngakia kiara yusie karango ikaransaga nja kwa analyze ngoteri I must have yani
kwa itire kwa ligiri watukire
the correct answer ngoja gotevyo mwana inji amanye ngaki that's the truth kwanyoranga abantu abange bali mature kurubasi therefore Chris Obure ekinekene nanda barabe nambe nyingo maite bubasi asiboni asitubwate si constituency ya Busi and Kisi county bubasi bonererene
okay
ekiara as the 9 constituencies nere tanya kuba subdivided yerigure kurumate ga pakarogoro
nene
aba baswatire tiga so abantaba omuntu kurukunga Kirisi ababeke biya then
nabakura Simba jukura
our brother Simba
na twaro muchana na indo nyore Simba na muswati Janet Ongera nabakura samu
Janet nere no bakuru
no bakuru sam
bono turu chia bono
igobo esabu tsarigeti eso ensemo ya ODM
esabu esarigeti ya ODM bono igen twiki kokora abantu anangaki matobe ko bokime sania yemo
bote yu
ko abana ngaki kero monta gotaburia atagete kai gote
ne nyombende asinaro mwana yara yomo omo okubanisa
ora gre gota ona ngaki
omo ntiga kujia
mama nimetosheka otiga kujia
igobo mojana noro okay
igobo na save chikurechi but I think go chakara boniga woni go mate the wave tera sakora kana bia no anyeto konya kora analyze analysis to kora tera kana very clear
nanga ngoro chi asara
tero chimbono nomination ya hele buna bono chipkati yako ako announce nga now
go chakara bono kimo dasagati
bono kimo dasagati that month na litukumanga who is on the ground boni goma tera manyikana byanga
kiro muntu tera manyanga yako musagoji
na ndinde mono mate bintu ndande binga konya rumuna ono se abantu bakwana igoro ya Simba there are so many things in to binye bochimba lakini ndego hope nga bintu bimbi koleta ene problem buna wana dia tena tena chimorole ga mwangu to get my masters
mbate bana ande aketabu ati degree lakini naro kana ga ku graduate gari
lakini na graduate
injineero ra
utatikaliende mate you see Kogendo University okay fine now what at me at a system ekrogwa create university kwa nyore the first degree mate university ya ekrogwa so ile no bo muliri
yabakoit
gocha kuguno monto nae bana
no renjere
ekiara you see
kirege tugabe giruwa
taineke komaka it is it's a institution and no mwalimu wako market you know that's another you might want to fanya kwa system ye university take sama temara makongo
insa
na matemwa form 4 ekara kwa toboire umwana wetera mata form 4 oina makongo lakini matekero you know that's why that time montara kwenda division 4 ogenda India ochane degree banta abuna ikaiga public service commission onyoregasi abana baraba akiri bantu nabari yandi bagachi establish bakabanta ban so even at now ekaro university because you need to wait kocha kugwa na yebona no what the problem
uboto mochana
na ande karo the first degree second degree konyora your masters is not a problem
okay
again toni ko problem ekaro jo ya PhD your PhD na ko some time until you graduate
okay
ikiana we ko na 5 years abandi no 8 because abantu ade karo ikaranse panel we cover the exactly nyankyo manyete now inera tanga okay from the korunsi ga unenya gukwana ntomanye tirende unless me pio monta profinga maene na berega bakinende kare university level no twara PhD no twara masters no twara first degree of bachelor's yayo what is the starting ayenyorete
okay
I the one why orianza
okay mungu narake go group kwa Geoffrey yankwenyi kurubo buchurani gagateba na kyoroche igatiyo burayi bwa Simba na ubure ngai buna intwe abamenyi bagusi turabe save mono amasa magendero aranyari gocha na ndo ngora tanyari gutanga ubukurumi na kyoroje boyigo ayibuno musemi usitwa isanire gochora umugambi orumutaye
well ekarato kurigereria gusi usako genda bobazi turochenderi that time obule gale ngo muchumbe na nekaro muchumbe ndi you develop your place kawe minister for example the minister ya transport na bet minister foreign affairs and all that usako kurigereria bobazi kipara kya mnyokiro bono amagendra ali obule
okay
na bego tukana ngakora kana ngomonto yogoroko obule
nali
asa kwa opportunity
na bakorema
lakini naende to watch the other side there is another side is agwa you know angro releasing
bintu
nera ya mole but renda as development
na ga about record
to hold and to say ngomonto na karteki na korete bintu na wana kipara ki korosi wana mwana kilo even on place ne chia korete chia design eti
okay
chikorosiwa tadi ngomonto yo asa kwa swa sene gavana with that development ro cheria korete karare ngomweshimiwa na bako transform kisi
igonto tagete record yo mondo ngaikwa rure nkiobwata ko bako
now toko genda back as mosque Simbarat togende dagrate kuna woniga you see COVID came 2019 so tosakotanga CDF financial year 2019-2020 that millions 2020-2021 those millions. 2021, 2022. Those are not three terms. Those CDF funds. Now the last one, 2022, 23 financial years. Okay, fine. We want now to sing those the three times. All this. Toma once campaign. Maybe we don't say, but yes. We have to put a question. We have to do. We have to put. You know, there are so many questions than answers. Worry about those funds.
Tigango tuligereriga igomo achumurigere ndo china chinsa chetu cyarire yabire chinsa isano lideka isano no ibire ndo chinga chinsa chetu cyarire adake nigora pa kwaniriringa na liyo mwariga ekero na ende tukwebanga litukulinga tukwanira amange kimekera ndokwana ntogukora.
Yes. Good. Now, one again tonda nyaro kwana asa abantu baminto abagusi. Sana rende tuakwana ande sana igoro ya kisi ntotaje Nyamira.
Nyamira ndorakwana na.
Ndorakwana Nyamira. But rende because rende maana in this TV gere nkisi.
Yeah.
Iga ya tukwantora kisi. Pono nchege ntonara ko tenara te abantu baminto nkiringa ki asobora itokogenda. Tuamanyire nk'abantu ebintu ngo cyabire bintu nagosera.
Mkorono.
Baseroko nakwara treshida. Because onyo muntu ogosera record cha entu anyakorora umuntu ina bako yenda ndrogosera agenda gosera ndanda
mpaka enda zigwira nikibase cyo
twabwate the example karatu achoro mungwano yokorokunga oyo ira boga bikoro bonchari
omeke
ameke akeli ino na alenga se campaign
kwa korete campaign
na korete campaign
omeke kwa
yeye omeke na korete lakini wone kraswa agatama
akamomoroji
tanya kororakana Androgini because atumiete system atumiete agasoimi. So in other words, togo chiko choro murai. Ongabunoria. I'm sorry, no speak now. Magosena bara handran or this like now togo kwana. We want somebody abuna agot amaene abuna tuna wana trochi moskebuna ngwaye. Asibi akole. Ai karanse banda tinga kina akorebi na akorebi. Abantu baminto nchu togende line ye.
Okay.
Nanda maana tarangera ine saine na batoko tangaki okay mheshimiwa
biamono wakorebi ne
tugende gaiga lakini tokoranga mtongia rengoro na toko malinga sore tokunyana bone egento kero ngineki to answer mu MCA omu MCA yogo choraka is the president of the ward
nere murange nere kiro muchando ko banere mutanga
nere matengo ngoro nere garia etanya gotichwa nero matenge pare itaigweteka
makuri nara bande ko gari
ngo nori okoroge tunu goracha kuya mache ga tigamoro siri ensoko gose tigande mengoro gari gatunu mungu anyora mache oru tamaye TV nte tamaye tingo mungu na gasombe so this is the person we need
orange naye
toko gendo mochumbe tomengo mochumbo oyo nere omanyete ngaki for example like constituency gose ne anyari bali abana bali batari kwenyara abana liba mayana bara batakapi mbara inga baraba aba support banyore kipasare
yes
tumenga machumbu yo o improve the academic chichi school improve ya seno ana mabajaba
yes
o inero muntu kotoka toko genda se umugabana yo mate you see umugabana rekeregento kaga aje gosene factory hiyo ni project ogo chogo chakosene kwende siwe cyaro sigaiga ine project tumanga mono kosuna otro chuna bona chief factory chiyo ndo ngwaro sigaiga tumanga this factory from that area chiakonyera abantu
bangana igaiga
bona wanto kana burango mato we need to have that factory ya sugar
you monsieur
it's factory tumanga abantu about maybe 500 people
ngukonye kabali kurwa okay
oinero muganda tugete onye no mo senator akogenda Nairobi
arwanire
county
enyo chibese chinyi
chigo chagaiga na chikorega singia
akiriga tukolera abo
ni nanyi no muswati government rep arwanira abangina babe empowered beko
onyo chibese chibyombe
exactly
ero
beko nya babe batakaborwese nyomba auna ramba murai
na ramba genda tutagete biamono mwanchu murigereria ne botoze tukwana mange iruka kurusi county ya Nyamira turakwana baraina bange bakuburia inyore no murai ororoboni iga mugavana omuskia musinyaribo igakuburia sentunde ya kabere igabwatira nchira kero murai umutangani ndubwate Ben Momanyi Mwancho Kioma ndubwate Walter Nyambati ndubwate Timothy Bosire Henry Ongeri na Kiango Yombasa abune gati abali bakuburia bogavana kurese county ya Nyamira angyo kande kero turanyoribaga ntukwanira mange kubwate kana na oburai obubwechi county chichagusikonzo twachakera kurwa somurai omonene oyo orara lituko ria lero oso twa eni lituko ria lero orare lituko ria Juma twakwana gocha bakatwigire se county ya Kisii tikatutigirega habwa sibono ekigarando china chinse cyarire cyikire gidaika 12 iguru chinse isano cyubutuko bwa lero byobono kigima sokuri lyo murobulyo Ekeumbu na hinde tikatokoreiga lituko ria Jumatano oyo twalengenere no mogeni iga kabisa akorukwa engineer Nyabuto omoyo Kennedy enelia marieta ikigima na boy goni gali political analyst inche nigonkorukwa John Kebati olion konya kurwesesemo ya kabiri ase mitambo nigakorukwa Petra Mokeira gwikari tukule Jumatano tigango na nditumera n'kinga kicho yendera kurigeria Ndizi TV oinyole ko yakere kura asogotumerie takuza uchi ase namba ayemo isano nemo enoti ayemo kobegete sini kyo namba ayemo inyoranga tugutumeka besende yonsi biamono kigima tumera n'kinga kicho
Swell.
Omurigereria bwe television ya Ndizi TV vono na bukura ly'ubunchoria bwao ase television ya Ndizi TV chinka kichindi chonsi eliobwekere abarigereria kurochi county sana na ibire echo kirasorogo nkorwa Nyanza na boigo Rift Valley akesime ase namba enoti